Welcome to our video on the best VPN for travel in 2023, where we will explore the top VPN options that can provide you with complete privacy and security while you're on the go. If you are a frequent traveler or planning your next adventure, it's essential to protect your online activities from prying eyes. In this video, we will introduce you to the best VPN specifically designed for travelers. Our first pick is ExpressVPN, a trusted and reliable VPN service known for its fast speeds and strong security features. ExpressVPN offers a wide range of server locations around the world, allowing you to access geo-restricted content while maintaining your privacy. With its user-friendly interface and robust encryption, ExpressVPN is an excellent choice for travelers. Next up is NordVPN, a popular VPN provider that offers advanced security features to keep your data safe while you are on the go. NordVPN has a large server network and supports features like double VPN and obfuscated servers, which can be helpful when accessing restricted content in certain regions. Another great option for travelers is CyberGhost. With its easy-to-use interface and optimized server for streaming and torrenting, CyberGhost ensures a seamless and secure browsing experience. It also offers strong encryption and a strict no-log policy to protect your privacy. IPVanish is a reliable VPN service that offers excellent performance and security features for travelers. With its unlimited simultaneous connections and user-friendly apps, IPVanish allows you to protect multiple devices while on the move. It also has a large server network and supports advanced protocols for enhanced security. Private Internet Access is a VPN provider known for its affordability and robust security features. PIA offers a user-friendly interface and strong encryption to safeguard your online activities. It also has a large number of servers in different locations, making it a suitable choice for travelers. ViperVPN is a VPN service that prioritizes security and privacy. With its proprietary chameleon protocol, ViperVPN can bypass strict censorship and provide access to restricted content in certain regions. It also offers a user-friendly interface and fast feeds for an optimal browsing experience. Surfshark is a budget-friendly VPN option that doesn't compromise on security and performance. With its clean web feature, Surfshark blocks ads, trackers, and malware to ensure a safer browsing experience while traveling. It also supports unlimited simultaneous connections, making it ideal for protecting multiple devices. TunnelBear is a user-friendly VPN that offers a free plan with a limited amount of data per month. Its intuitive interface and strong encryption make it an excellent choice for travelers who value simplicity and privacy. TunnelBear also has a strict no-logs policy, ensuring your online activities remain private. ProtonVPN is a secure VPN provider that focuses on privacy and data protection. With its strong encryption and Swiss-based servers, ProtonVPN offers a high level of security for travelers. It also has a free plan with limited features and a premium version with more advanced options. Lastly, we have StrongVPN, a VPN service known for its reliable performance and robust security measures. StrongVPN offers a user-friendly app and strong encryption to protect your data while traveling. It also has a wide range of server locations to choose from. That wraps up our guide to the best 10 VPN for travel in 2023. With these top 10 options, you can ensure complete privacy and security while exploring new destinations or accessing geo-restricted content. Remember to choose a VPN that fits your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has been helpful in finding the best VPN for your travel adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert guides and tips. Safe travels. Thank you.